Hello students, today we discuss about assignment problem. In earlier lecture we already discussed about linear programming problem. In linear programming problem we concern some constant using non-negativity condition and then follow these conditions. We optimize the objective function, or we can say maximize the profit or minimize the cost. But in this chapter deal with a very interesting method called the assignment technique, which is applicable to a class of very practical problem generally called the assignment problem. In assignment problem there are n jobs to be performed and n person available for doing these job. Assume that each person can do each job at a time, though with very degree of efficiency. Let Cij be the cost payment, Cij be the cost payment if the person is assigned the jth job, ith person assigned the jth job. The problem to find an assignment so that total cost for performing all jobs is minimum cost. At minimum cost we can perform all jobs at minimum cost. So these are the cost table. There are n person and n job. Number of person and number of job always equal. If one of them is in size or in numbers less than the other, then first of all we convert the same numbers. If there is, this is called cost matrix. If first person in this table, we can say that if first person can perform first job, the cost is C11. These are numerical value in numerical. So this is the called cost table. Solution of the assignment problem. There are 4 solutions to solve this method. First is enumeration method. Enumeration method, in this we can make all list possible assignment among the given resources. So if there are 1 person and 1 job, easily we can calculate. If 2 person and 2 jobs, then we can calculate using enumerating method. First job can done by first person and second job by second person, and other cost is first job is performed by second person and second job is performed by first person. So using enumeration method, if number of person, number of job are less than 2 or 3, then we can use this enumerating method. If the number of person, number of jobs are equal to 5, then it is very difficult to solve using enumerating method. Simplex method we earlier discussed. So if in using simplex method in assignment problem, there are so many restrictions, so calculation work is much more high. So in transportation problem, before this we can done transportation problem, and now we use Hungarian assignment method. This method is using to solve these assignment problem. This method give an optimum solution to us of any assignment problem. So there are 4 methods. First one is enumerating method, second one simplex method, third one is transportation method, and fourth one is Hungarian assignment method. Using these 4 methods we can solve the assignment problem. Assignment algorithm, Hungarian assignment method. How we can solve the assignment problem using Hungarian method? There are 7 steps. First step, subtract the minimum of each row of the effectiveness matrix. Effectiveness matrix means cost matrix from all the element of the respective rows. Second, further modify the resulting matrix by subtracting the minimum element of each column from all the element of the respective column. thus obtain first modified matrix. Third, then draw the minimum number of horizontal and vertical line to cover all the zeros in the resulting matrix in cost matrix. After performing first and second step, in third step we can draw the line number of line to cover the all zero maximum number of zeros. Then we can draw first line. There are third steps. If n is equal to n, let the minimum number of line be n, and there may be two possibilities. If n number of line is equal to n the number of rows of given matrix, then optimal assignment can be made. So make the zero assignment to get the required. If n number of line is less than number of rows or column, then we go for step 4. There are two possibility. If number of line is equal to number of rows, then we can assign the jobs to person. And second one, if number of line is less than number of rows, then we go for step 4. In step 4, we determine the smallest element in the matrix not covered by the lines. Subtract the minimum element from all uncovered element and add the same element at the intersection of horizontal and vertical lines. Thus the second modified matrix is obtained. Again step 3 and 4 until the minimum number of line is equal to number of rows. Step 6, examine the row successively until a row wise exactly single zero is found marked by the zero is square. If any one row or column have 1 0, then we mark this sign. And in same row, if we assign this in same row, these are another zeros, then we mark the by cross. We cross the whole other zero in the same row. Thus we give the assignment. Repeat the step 6 respectively until one of the following situation arise. So these are the algorithm of Hungarian assignment method. Now we discuss a numerical for this Hungarian assignment method. These are the method or rule to draw the number of lines. You can read it and assign the problem which are help to solve this. So first of all, these are the given assignment problem. First of all, we can check the number of row or number of column are same or not. There are number of column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and number of row is A to E, F. These are 6. So these are the balance problem. First of all, we have to check these are the balance or unbalance. These are the balance problem. So balance problem, then we solve by Hungarian assignment method. First step, we can subtract each row minimum value of in each row. First of all, minimum value is in first row is 9. We can subtract 9 from each element, then we get this. Similarly, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth minimum value we can subtract. Now in each column, first column, second column, third column, fourth, fifth, sixth, each column minimum value in this column is 0, minimum in this also is 0, in this is also 0, in this is 2. So we subtract 2 from each values in fourth column. In fifth column there are 10, so we can subtract 10 from each element. In this there are 5, so we can subtract 5 from each value. Now zero third, we go for step 3. Make the zero assignment in usual manner since row 2 and column 5 of table have no assignment. Go to next step. So first of all, we can draw the number of line. Number of line is this to cover all 0. There are line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of line we can represent here. Number of line is equal to 5, and number of row, this is represented by this is 6. So here n is less than n. Now we go for next step, and in this case uncovered element in this table, we have uncovered list element. So uncovered list element is here 4. So we subtract 4 from all uncovered element and add at these intersection point. There are 6 intersection point. So we can add in this intersection point 4, and uncovered values, uncovered cell value, we can subtract 4 from each values, and under the line values remaining same. For example, 49 is same as in 49, 0 is 0. So 9, here we can subtract from these 9 minus 4, 26 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, and intersection point we can add these 4. So next table is this. After making this step, we can assign, we can give the assignment. So in first row, first of all, given to assignment, first we have to check that in any row or column have at least one 0. First of all, we can assign them, and remaining the same element in this column, we cross the remaining all values. First of all, we have in fourth column only one 0. So we give the assignment is this. So we cross this in fifth column. Now we see that this is the 1 0. So give the assignment. So using this method, we can assign the whole problem, and there are assignment is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 job, and 6 person can do all these 6 job. So these are the solution. These are the solution, and using the cost matrix given first cost table in question, the using this, if we can say that the person A perform the fifth job, person A can perform the fourth job, person B perform the first job, person C perform the sixth job. Using these cost table, using the first cost table, we can assign the, we can find the total cost is 142. So these are the solution of assignment problem. These are the optimal cost. Each 6 job can perform by 6 person. 1 person can do only 1 job. Using these restrictions, we can find minimum cost is 142. At the cost of 142, all job done by these 6 person. Now some special cases of assignment problem. These are the unbalanced problem. Unbalanced problem. Unbalanced problem is this. There are 6 rows and 5 columns. So we cannot solve this problem using Hungarian assignment method. So first of all, we introduce a 6th column in this cost table using the cost 0 0 0 in each row. Now we can say that these are the balanced problem. So first of all, we have to check that the given problem is balanced or not. If not, then introduce a dummy row or column. We can make balanced problem and solve by Hungarian assignment method. Another special case of assignment problem is maximization problem. If the cost, if we have profit table, not a cost table, and solve these assignment, if first person can do perform first job, then 5 rupees profit. These are the profit, not a cost. So we give the profit table. So first of all, we convert this profit table into cost table. How? We find, first of all, we find the highest value in this cost table, and these are the 14. 14 is the highest cost table, and each cell value subtract from 14, we can get, these are the cost table. So first of all, maximization problem convert into minimization problem using this method. So 14 minus 5 is 9, 14 minus 2 is 12. So using this method, we convert all the cell values are these. Now you be using the Hungarian assignment method and using step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 solve this assignment problem. Some another case of assignment problem are prohibited route. That means first person cannot perform the first job. So we can mark this cross, or we can mark this by M also. That means these are the restrictions. If any person cannot perform any job, then in cost table we mark the infinity or M. In this particular questions we mark the infinity. That means this person cannot perform this job. So using M or infinity mark in cost table, we solve the problems. The first person cannot perform first job, second person cannot perform second job. These are the given, these are the prohibited route. In transportation problem also prohibited route, and in the same condition is restrictions that this person cannot perform this job, and we can mark them by M or infinity, and after that we can solve these problem using Hungarian assignment method. These are the assignment problem solved by Hungarian assignment method or HAM method. These are the some special cases: unbalanced problem, any restrictions, this person cannot perform this job, this person cannot perform this job, or maximization problem. So all these are, and for next one is multiple optimal solutions. If there are option to mark the 0, or in last table step 6 we have same performing, both are have 2 0. These are conditions, any one of them mark, then there is multiple optimal solution. The special cases are arise in the assignment problem. So we can solve all the assignment problem using HAM method. Thank you very much.